Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make breakfast muffins. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt for the dry components. For the wet, prepare 1 large egg, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget to prepare your muffin tin with 12 liners, or a good non-stick spray. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently combine all your wet ingredients. The key to tender muffins is to avoid overmixing. Once you combine the wet and dry mixtures, stir just until the flour streaks disappear. A few lumps are perfectly fine and even desirable for a light texture. It's time to bake. Carefully spoon your muffin batter into the prepared muffin cups, filling each one about 2/3 full. This ensures they rise beautifully without overflowing. Place your muffin tin into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Almost ready to enjoy? Once baked, let your muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up and makes them easier to remove. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. You can enjoy these delightful breakfast muffins warm, perhaps with a pat of butter, or at room temperature. They are perfect for a quick breakfast or a lovely snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.